Hello, we're leaving East Balaigay. One of the depressed area here in Lumbayanagi. Yun yung masjid ng East Balaigay. Mahirap i-reach kasi yung kalsada nila ay putol. Hindi siya well connected. Sayang lang. Maganda sana ito, no, na lugar. Nung una, doon ka dumadaan sa forested area. Pero very slippery, lalo na pag ganitong maulan. So slippery siya. So mas maganda yung And now, parang ito na, nag-aalon-alon, ninenervyos yung aking maliit na tita. Hindi yan alam ng nanay niya na sinama ko siya. Wala pa daw kasi silang klase. Next week pa daw. Next week pa kayo? Next week pa daw. Sa SMD yan nag-aaral. It's a private school in Ganasi. Okay. At nag-stop na naman tayo. O ano? Ano na naman ang next move ninyo? Mga piloto. Inutop ka puputi. You know, the life of a supervisor is you have to take the risk. The risk of traversing the lake, the land, even if it's muddy, the lake, even if it's windy, just to reach every Bangsamoro children. Our goal actually and our target is to make sure, to ensure that every Bangsamoro children is in school. So, yan yung aming target. Yan yung aming panata. Panata na lahat ng batang Moro ay nasa eskwelahan na natututo. Panata namin yan. So, alhamdulillah. Okay. So, yes, you may see me smiling, but deep inside, I am terrified. No? Because nasa gitna tayo ng lake and I am not a good swimmer. Hindi ako good swimmer. I'm not a good swimmer. Our next destination will be sa Loloy? Sa Loloy PS. That's somewhere there. Ayun yung pinanggalingan natin kanina na school, ang East Balaigay.